Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel. Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a mixing bowl, put in 300 ml of milk. You can use full cream or 2%. Then add about 125 ml to 150 ml of thickened cream, also called whipping cream or heavy cream. Then add between 4 and 6 tablespoons of sugar. Now just mix this through until the sugar has dissolved. Now add 1 tablespoon of peppermint extract. Then add some green food colouring. Just mix that through. Now if you're lucky enough to have a Zoku, this only takes 7 minutes, maybe up to 9 minutes for the popsicle to be ready. If you don't have one, just look for one. I've got mine on eBay for about $50 and it's awesome. Just pour the mixture in. You just put these on. Set your timer for about 7 minutes and then take them out. Yummy. Ooh yeah. Dip it in some Ice Magic. Just let it set and then eat until the cows come home.
Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking.